Okay, now let's show you the groomer and the engine of the groomer. Yeah, where it gets all of its power from. Come on. Remember me talking about the tracks? Yeah, they're really slippery. So what I'm gonna do is put some plywood on there so you and I can stand on it safely. All right, 3 pieces of plywood. Whoa! All right, we made it. Whoa, you see this? This is the engine of the groomer. Whoa, this is where all of its power gets produced from. Oh, and see this? This is the fuel tank. This is where all the diesel goes to fuel the engine. And let me show you the back. Whoa! You see the back? This is the hydraulic tanks. This is the hydraulic pumps. And all of these tubes are hydraulic tubes. Whoa, look! Wow. We have some batteries, some oil filters, fuel filters, and you can't forget about, yeah, the exhaust. Whoa! Learning about groomers with you. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi.